Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to use volume on Tradingview. Volume in Tradingview displays the number of units traded during a specific time period. It helps us see how active the market is by measuring how many shares, contracts, or coins are being bought and sold. This tells us about the level of trading activity. High volume means there is strong market participation, while low volume shows there is less interest. If you are new to this, don't worry. In this tutorial, we will explain everything clearly and simply, step by step. First, open your browser and go to tradingview.com. Once you are on the page, log into your account because this step is important. Later, we will explain why you need to activate your account. After logging in, go to Products. At the bottom of the Products menu, you will find Supercharts. Let's go to Supercharts. When we click on the page, you will see this section. Let's click this, for example. Now, that is in the S&P. Here, you can see some charts and volume bars. The volume we need to use must be activated as an indicator. To do this, go to the upper left part of the page. You will see Indicators. Click this option and a pop-up window will appear. In the search bar, type Volume. You will see many options, but we only need to use the standard volume indicator that most people use. Click Volume and close. Now you can see our drop-down window and the chart appears showing the volume statistics for the S&P 500. We use this volume to confirm price movements. If the price moves up or down with high volume, the movement is considered stronger and more reliable. Low volume may mean weak momentum or other factors. You can also add alerts when the volume rises or falls. Right-click on this area and add an alert on the volume. You can set it up to choose the volume level you want, the figures you want to be alerted about, and how you want to receive alerts. Set it up here when you click this option. This is the section for creating volume alerts. Here you can see the symbols, the conditions, the volume, the crosses, and the value. Once you have set up this part, you can create a message, your alert names, or choose the notifications you want and where you want to be notified. Now, let's go back to settings after applying all those options. You need to create it and click Create. Now we have learned how to use volume. Volume helps us see if buyers or sellers are truly active, making our analysis more reliable.